this thing on? I'm going on a trip with my family and I'm super excited. I'm the type of person that over plans in the worst way possible. I think we're going in like a week or two. I'm planning my outfits today and we're gonna pack and you guys are gonna help me. So I hope you guys enjoy. So today, like I just said, we are, hey, what's up? Hello, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and I post all things fashion, lifestyle, and my small business. I haven't done that in a while, so I forgot about it, but we're back, we're ready. Also, before I get into it, look at these nails. I am obsessed with them. They look so pretty. Okay, sorry. We are packing for a trip. It is kind of like a Gilmore Girls, just very homey, Hallmarky, Christmas weekend vacation. I never get to do this. I feel like I never get to like go out and dress up, and besides like my content days, I really don't get to go on trips or anything, so I'm gonna take full advantage of this. I'm also gonna be vlogging the whole weekend, so be excited for that. But yeah, I want to show you guys the outfits. I already tried them on and I just want to pack with you, so let's get right into it. Lastly, I got my hair done again. There's a bunch of different shades and colors and everything in it right now, and I love it. I also can't believe that Christmas is in like 2 weeks. Like, where did 2021 go? I feel like it literally flew by. I'm talking too much. So let me show you these outfits and let's get to packing. Did I talk too much? Are you guys still here? Also, don't forget to subscribe. So today we are mainly packing my outfits because I'm still gonna need my makeup, my skincare, and all those things on the daily until the trip comes, but I can pack everything else, which is super exciting. I'm not the best at packing, but I do have this huge duffel bag. It's from high school. It's got so many pockets, so much room, and we're gonna try to fill this thing up. So we're gonna go outfit by outfit, and I'm just gonna tell you about them. Also, I'm kind of packing for the future. I don't know what we're doing, but they're outfits for things that I'm guessing we're gonna do. This first outfit is just going to be for the drive to where we are going. So I have this crew neck right here. It's from my mom, so I guess you can say it's secondhand. She was gonna throw it away many years ago, but I snatched it and I love it. This, and because we are in Florida, it's gonna be hot. I'm also gonna bring these shorts. I just love these because they have the little asymmetrical waist and they make your waist look snatched. But yeah, that's the first outfit. Normally, I just like to be very comfortable on the drive. I'm probably not even gonna wear shoes, and that's the vibe that we're going for. Yeah. So this can be for the drive there or the drive back, whatever I'm feeling. Maybe the drive there, I'm just going complete bummy, so complete bum mode. Yeah, that sounds better. Now if we're going in reverse, the night before we leave, we are going out to dinner and we're gonna go look at Christmas things, Christmas hotels, and that sort of thing. So I have my next outfit, which is this cable knit sweater. I love how soft it is, and especially being in Florida, it is like super lightweight. It's not really heavy. I feel like it's a great base. I can add things onto it. I can tie it certain ways. I can style it a few different ways and just go with whatever I'm feeling. So this is from American Eagle. Quality is amazing and I'm obsessed. I also have just a pair of black skinny jeans. These are great. I'm pretty sure these are from H&M. I didn't want to do any like rips or anything because I just wanted it to be just really casual. It's a family trip, so yeah. I also am really short, so I always have to cuff the bottoms of literally any pants that I wear. So there's these. And then for my shoes, I have some booties, which I wore these in the family photo shoot. So if you haven't seen that vlog, I'm pretty sure that is the video before this one, and you should definitely go check it out. Actually, it's 2 videos before. Whatever. Anyways, there are these boots, super cute. I got them for Christmas, I think 2 years ago. No, I'm not actually sure where I got these. These were a gift. I was gonna try and say somewhere, but I don't want to give you the wrong information. So these were a gift. And yeah, they're really cute, very comfortable. I like the little heel, and just the muted tones go great with that sweater. So again, we're just gonna pack backwards. But how are y'all? What are you up to? Do you have any plans for Christmas? That day, I think we're gonna go shopping around the malls around there. So I'm literally gonna wear like 3 outfits in one day, but I don't even care because I'm trying to get that content and I'm just trying to use all these clothes that are in my closet. I have so many outfits, but I never have anywhere to go. So now that I finally have somewhere to go, I'm taking advantage. And I told my sisters, you guys better dress cute too, because I can't be out here looking like a superstar and you guys are just in sweatpants. So for the walking around the mall outfit, it's very casual, very comfortable, but it's such a cute outfit. I have these shorts from Shein. I love these because the fit is amazing. I love all of the distressing, and just because it's like during the day, I wanted to wear shorts. Probably gonna be hot, so the rips are definitely necessary. And the top is the main attraction. I got this top for Thanksgiving, and it is one of the most prettiest tops I own. So it's this right here. It is from Apricot Lane. There you go. It's a boutique. I think it's such a pretty top. You can't really tell what it looks like right now, but it's basically just got a rectangle front, and the front kind of like droops down like that. Then the sleeves are super puffed out, but then it has scrunching at the wrist. So it's just very flattering. And the best part is that it's an open back and it has 2 tie details. I love it. I think it's such a gorgeous top, and I'm super excited for all the content I'm gonna get. So that's that. And that outfit, I think I'm gonna wear this purse right here. It's like the faux leather white purse that I always wear with everything. It has gold detailing, and I'm actually gonna pair this with 2 outfits, I think, so I'm not gonna put it away just yet. But yeah, and then for the shoes, for the mall outfit, I'm just gonna go classic Air Force Ones. I'm not gonna do any ankle socks. I'm gonna do like no-show socks just because I think it looks nicer, especially like white shorts, I guess. Super excited. I'm gonna wear these a few times too. I think we're running low on space. I would not take packing tips from me. Like I said, I rarely ever go on any trips, so I honestly don't know how to pack. The rolling of the stuff, it usually doesn't work for me. It makes things bigger, probably because I have like jeans, I have sweaters, so it just takes up more room. So don't take any tips from me. Okay, so the next outfit is going to be for the first morning that we're there, and the town is so cute. I would love to live somewhere like that. So it's in an area where everything is in a walking distance. Like once you walk out of the hotel, there's Starbucks like in your sight. There's little shops that are like Christmas related. It's so cute. There's also a water fountain. There's also gonna be a humongous tree. I'm so excited. But for this, I wanted to look really like sporty, pulling that athleisure vibe. So I've worn an outfit like this recently, but I'm just gonna switch out a few things. So we're going to go in with this black tank top. It's from Fashion Nova. Super lightweight, very comfortable, and it feels like I'm wearing nothing. I love it. Then we're gonna be pulling some black leggings. These are from Target. I love these, especially because they're high-waisted and they have pockets. That's amazing. And then the main attraction is going to be this, which is from American Eagle. It's like a flannel, but it's also a sweater, has a hoodie. It's so many different things, but it's just a great way to spice up a boring outfit. Like you guys will see in the video, if I just wore the all black fit, like it doesn't look as cute, but adding this, I love it. So this is an attraction. I also have the same one in red. That's what I wore last week, but I don't know, I thought like blue would be cute too. Then to complete that sporty look, I am going to be wearing these Nike Air Maxes. I talk about them all the time. I can never find them online or anywhere to link for you guys, but these were a Christmas gift. They just say Nike Air Max on the side. Yeah, sorry. And then I do have some ankle socks for this outfit to go on top of the leggings. I just think it looks cuter and just brings in that sporty vibe. And also with all these things, if we do anything else, I can always like mix and match because I have a lot of great pieces that I'm packing. So if I want to wear the tank top with this or something else with this, like I can always mix and match. Lastly, I think with that sporty outfit, I might bring this just because I really do plan on like getting up semi-early and just like enjoying the town by myself before my family gets up, probably create some content. So I'm gonna need a bag that's big enough to hold all of my tripods and such. So this is that, but I'm not even gonna try to fit it in there. There's no point. And the last outfit is the most trendy outfit. I wanted to try to go like above and beyond for the first night that we're there. And I'm really excited about this outfit. I haven't really worn anything like this ever, I don't think, but I'm obsessed. So once you see these, you already know it's gonna be good. I have this long sleeve that's from H&M. It's just a basic scoop neck, very form-fitting, very great, and it's just an amazing basic. So I have this, and I'm going to pair this with this green skirt that's from American Eagle. I love this. I have worn it so many times already, and I've probably got it at the beginning of this month. I love the color. I just love the corduroy. I just feel like it's perfect for this month and this season. Yeah, and I thought with those two items, they're kind of a little bit on the boring side, I guess. So I thought that I should pair these under the knee boots. These are from Shein, and you always think like, oh, Shein, they might not have the best quality. These are so amazing. They're like faux leather. They have a little heel on them. They have a pointed toe, and I can also, these are like white crochet knee-high socks. It just adds a brighter detail to the outfit that without it, my sister was like, that outfit is too dark. You need to bring some light back into it. So I was like, give me 1 second, I'll be right back. So I put these underneath and she's like, that's the one, that's the one. Because I also paired it with this. And I think matching the bag to the socks, it kind of really does brighten up the outfit. Yeah, so those are the outfits that I'm going to be packing this weekend. Let's see how I can fit these boots into this bag. So now I need to think of accessories. I just want to bring a couple different accessories that I can style with a lot of different things, and I think I might actually try to put them all into this bag. So I'm gonna take this purse that I plan on using and I'm gonna put it into this bag. I also think with that athleisure outfit, I think a pair of sunglasses would be really nice. So I'm gonna pack these. I also am gonna bring some claw clips just because they go with everything. And some blue light glasses. I feel like they're very helpful, but they also are very stylish, I guess. Yeah, I have other things like skincare related, but I'm not gonna pack those until like later whenever we end up going. So I obviously don't know what I'm going to end up doing with my hair when I'm there. But you can never be under-prepared, especially when you never go out. So I am going to be over-prepared. So I'm gonna bring a straightener and a curling iron because who knows what I'm going to want and who knows what I'm going to do with my hair. Maybe my sisters need it, I don't know. Next is jewelry. I feel like jewelry is a very big part of my outfits. So I recently got some jewelry from Ana Luisa. I showed them in another video and they came in these really cute pouches, so I think I'm gonna stuff some jewelry in here. So let's see what we find, because I honestly don't know what I want to bring. I have this container full of goodies right here. I love rocking this tennis bracelet. I think this ring is so beautiful. I also think this ring is so beautiful. Same thing with this one, very minimalistic. I wear this one every day, so I'm gonna keep this one out. As for my earrings, I'll probably just wear the same combo the whole time, but if I don't, I'm gonna pack these just in case because they're a little bit extra and a little different. I can stuff all of this in here. I also have a few pieces over here on my jewelry wallet. So who knows, maybe I want to wear a watch. So let's bring a watch. In necklaces, I just wear the same one every single day, so we can not worry about that. Then there's like other things, like I need to pack pajamas. I need to pack my undergarments. Yeah, so let me see what I can do about those. But just so I don't lose this stuff, I think I'm gonna put it in this bigger bag. And let's see what pajamas I can find. 1 second. So for my pajamas, I have a pair of shorts, a pair of sweatpants, a bra, and if it's too hot, I'll wear the shorts. If it's too cold, I'll wear the sweatpants. Easy, perfect, amazing. We love to see it. And I honestly don't know what else I need to pack. The day of, I'll pack all of my camera equipment, I'll pack my makeup, my skincare, and yeah, I have my shoes, I have my clothes, I have my outfits already planned out, so I don't have to stress. And I think that's it. So I am all packed and ready. So I am so excited for the content that I'm gonna get for you guys. I am so happy. And I'm also so glad to have you guys here to help me pack, to just help me get my life together. Again, I really can't pack much until like the night before, but I'm so grateful to have you guys here to help me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, okay, bye.